more than percentage change in quantity demanded. Suppose आपने अगेन ये प्लान किया कि हम प्राइस को कितने परसेंट से इंक्रीज करेंगे, 50% से. कितने परसेंट से इंक्रीज करेंगे, 50% से. ठीक है, तो ये जो 10 है ये ऑलरेडी कितना परसेंट है, 100%. कितना परसेंट है, 100%. और आपको इसमें 50% और क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. क्या करना है, ऐड. क्योंकि आप इंक्रीज कर रहे हो तो ऐड ही करोगे. तो मीन जो न्यू प्राइस आएगा वो 150% होगा. क्यों, क्योंकि जो ओल्ड प्राइस था वो ऑलरेडी 100% था, आपने 50% और ऐड कर दिया, तो जो न्यू प्राइस आएगा वो कितने परसेंट होगा, 150. यानी आपको कितना परसेंट निकालना है, 150%. सी, तो आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे और आपको फाइंड कितना करना है, अगेन 150. और कितना परसेंट गिवन है, 100%. आप इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो कितना आएगा बेटा, 50. मीन्स अगर आप प्राइस को 10 से 50% इंक्रीज करोगे, 10 को 50% से इंक्रीज करोगे तो आपका न्यू प्राइस कितना आएगा, 15. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. सपोज प्राइस इंक्रीजेस बाय 50%. प्राइस इंक्रीजेस बाय 50%. सी, नाउ अब आप क्वांटिटी डिमांड को डिक्रीज करोगे, क्योंकि प्राइस क्या कर रहा है, इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, तो डिमांड क्या करोगे, डिक्रीज. लेकिन लेस देन 50%. सी हियर, percentage change in price is more than percentage change in quantity demanded. Suppose means price decreases by 50%. Price decreases by 50%. Then sorry, price increases by 50%. Price increases by 50% means demand decreases by demand, or you can say demand will decrease by less than 50%, either 40%, 30%, 20%. Suppose आपने मन बनाया कि सर हम डिमांड को कितने परसेंट से डिक्रीज करेंगे, सपोज 40% से. कितने परसेंट से डिक्रीज करेंगे, 40% से. ठीक है, मींस जो पहले डिमांड थी वो कितने परसेंट थी, 100%. अब आप उसको कितने परसेंट से डिक्रीज कर रहे हो, 40% से. कितने परसेंट से डिक्रीज कर रहे हो, 40% से. तो मींस जो न्यू डिमांड आएगी वो कितने परसेंट होगी, 60%. कितने परसेंट होगी, 60%. मींस आपको कितना परसेंट फाइंड करना है, 60%. कितना परसेंट फाइंड करना है, 60%. ठीक है, सो आप इसको अगेन ऐसे लिखोगे और आपको कितना परसेंट फाइंड करना है, 60%. क्यों, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी जो आपकी अमाउंट है वो 100% है और आप उसको 40% से क्या कर रहे हो, डिक्रीज कर रहे हो. तो जो न्यू क्वांटिटी आएगी वो कितने परसेंट होगी, 60%. मींस आपको कितने परसेंट फाइंड करना है, 60%. मैंने बताया कि जो आप फाइंड करते हो उसको मतलब आप मींस न्यूमरेटर में लिख लोगे और जिसको आप मींस जो आपको गिवन होता है उसको डिनोमिनेटर में. सी, सो 100% नीचे आ जाएगा, तो डिमांड मींस न्यूमरेटर में मींस 60. so you will write here 60. so I hope all of you have understood. According to this means price increases by 50% means quantity demanded decreases by 40%. And this means hence this is proved, means this proved this because percentage change in price is more than percentage change in quantity demanded. See, according to this we have to show diagram. See, suppose initial price is rupee 10 and initial quantity is rupee is 100 units. Initial quantity is 100 units. See, suppose price, price increases by 50% and quantity demanded decreases by 40%. Means percentage change in price is greater than percentage change in quantity. It means percentage change in price is greater than percentage change in quantity. Suppose price increases by 10 to 15. 10 to 50. Take this much gap. Take this much gap. See, and quantity demanded decrease from 100 to 60. 100 to 60 because you know that percentage change in price is more than percentage change in quantity demanded. Means change in price is greater than change in demand. Change in price is greater than change in demand. See, suppose I am taking here this much gap for price. I am taking here this much gap for change in price. Means so I will take here less than this gap. Less than this gap. See, this gap is less than this gap because change in price is more than change in quantity, and change in price is more than change in quantity. I hope all of you have understood. Please join these corner. See, this is steeper demand curve. This is a steeper demand curve. So I hope all of you have understood. See, demand curve will be steeper. This is clear. See, now we have to prove this ED less than 1. ED less than 1 in less elastic demand. You know that ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. ED is equal to minus delta. See, this is P, this is P1, this is Q, this is Q1. Delta Q means Q1 minus Q. Q1 minus Q means minus 40. Delta P means P1 minus P means 5 into P means 10. Q means 100. See, 2, 5. See, minus minus plus. So ED is equal to 4 by 5. It is equal to 4 by 5, and 4 by 5 means 0.8, which is less than 1, which is less than 1. So I hope all of you have understood fourth degree of price elasticity of demand. Less elastic demand means percentage change in demand is less than percentage change in price. Percentage change in price, and in less elastic demand situation, demand curve will be steeper. Demand curve will be steeper, and ED will be less than 1. So please pause the video and note down this. See, next, fifth degree and last degree of price elasticity of demand. Highly elastic demand means ED greater than 1, means when percentage change in price is less than percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity, then price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand will be highly elastic, and demand curve will be flatter. See, suppose take price in rupees and quantity demanded in units. Suppose again initial price is rupee 10 and initial quantity is 100 units. See, percentage change in price is less than percentage change in quantity demanded. Means अगर आप प्राइस को 50% से इंक्रीज करोगे, 50% से क्या करोगे, इंक्रीज, डिमांड आप क्या करोगे, डिक्रीज, बिकॉज प्राइस इंक्रीजेस डिमांड डिक्रीजेस, प्राइस इंक्रीजेस डिमांड डिक्रीजेस. अगर आप प्राइस को 50% से इंक्रीज कर रहे हो तो डिमांड डिक्रीज तो करोगे, डिमांड डिक्रीज तो करोगे, लेकिन मोर देन 50% अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्टेटमेंट यू कैन सी देयर. सी, अगर आप प्राइस को 50% से, you can take any value, means you can take any percentage value, it's up to you, but 50% means 50% will be more comfortable to all of you. See, सपोज अगर आप प्राइस को 50% से इंक्रीज कर रहे हो तो डिमांड आप डिक्रीज तो करोगे, लेकिन मोर देन 50%. यू नो दैट अगर आप प्राइस को 50% से इंक्रीज करोगे 10 को तो कितना आएगा, 50, बिकॉज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन प्रीवियस डिग्री. सी, बट आपने प्राइस को कितने परसेंट से इंक्रीज करा, 50% से. कितने परसेंट से इंक्रीज करा, 50% से. ठीक है, तो आप डिमांड क्या करोगे, डिक्रीज, बिकॉज प्राइस इंक्रीजेस डिमांड डिक्रीजेस. अब आपको क्वांटिटी डिमांड क्या करनी है, डिक्रीज, लेकिन 50% से ज्यादा. सपोज आपने प्लान बनाया कि हम डिमांड कितने से डिक्रीज करेंगे, 60% से, 60% से। सो आपकी जो इनिशियल क्वांटिटी थी वो कितने परसेंट थी, 100%, और आपको कितने परसेंट से डिक्रीज करना है उसको, 60% से। तो कितना अमाउंट बचेगा, मीन्स 40%। कितना बचेगा, 40%। तो जो आपकी न्यू क्वांटिटी आएगी वो कितने परसेंट होगी, 40%। इसका मतलब कितने परसेंट निकालना है आपको, 40%। सी 100 you will take initial quantity। सी अब आपको कितना परसेंट निकालना है, 40%। क्यों निकालना 40%, क्योंकि सी आपकी जो 100 यूनिट है ये कितने परसेंट है, ये 100% है, और आप इसको कितने परसेंट से डिक्रीज कर रहे हो, 60% से। तो आप कितना परसेंट निकालना चाह रहे हो, मीन्स आपके पास अगर आप इसको 60% से डिक्रीज कर दोगे तो कितना बचेगा, 40%। तो मीन्स आप कितना परसेंट निकालना चाह रहे हो, 40%। तो फिर जो निकालते हो परसेंटेज वो ऊपर मीन्स न्यूमरेटर में, और जो आप परसेंटेज गिवन होती है उसको डिनोमिनेटर में, सी 100%। सो 100 with 100 will cancel and will remain here 40. So I hope all of you have understood this. See diagram of this. This is the x axis, this is the origin, this is the y axis. Price in rupees, quantity demanded in units. See, suppose initial price rupee 10, and at 10 rupee quantity means 100 units. 100 units. See, change in price is less than change in demand. Change in price is less than change in demand according to this. See, suppose price increases from 10 to 15, means, see, change means this gap will be less than this gap, because change in price is less than change in quantity, means change in quantity will be more and change in price will be less. See, this change is greater than this change. So I hope all of you have understood. This demand curve is flatter demand curve, flatter demand curve. See, proof of this, see, ED greater than 1. ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. ED is equal to minus, see, this is Q1, this is Q, this is P, this is P1. Delta Q means Q1 minus Q, so minus 60, and delta P means P1 minus P, so 5 into P means 10 and Q means 100. Minus minus plus, see, 0 to 0 cancelled, 0 will be 0 cancelled. See, 2 in 5, so 6 by 5. This will be 6 by 5, and 6 by 5 means 1.2, and 1.2 is greater than 1, means ED is greater than 1. So I hope all of you have understood. Highly elastic demand means, someone may ask from you, highly elastic demand means you will say ED greater than 1. ED greater than 1, and you will say like this, when percentage change in demand is greater than percentage change in price, and you will show with the help of schedule and diagram, with the help of like this and this. So means there are 5 degrees. There are 5 degrees of price elasticity of demand. Please pause the video and note down this. See my dear students, ED is equal to 0 means perfectly inelastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand means demand curve will be vertical straight line or parallel to y-axis, and ED equal to infinity means perfectly elastic demand means demand curve will be horizontal straight line or parallel to x-axis, and ED equal to 1 means unitary elastic demand means demand curve will be rectangular hyperbola, and ED less than 1 means less elastic demand means demand curve will be steeper, and ED greater than 1 means highly elastic demand means demand curve will be flatter. I hope all of you have understood means these degrees. In my next video we will discuss some numericals of price elasticity of demand. Have a good day and thank you very much.